The winter.
I like the winter because as a child I watching a TV show. I saw in the TV show there was a girl that touching the snow in the winter, and my dream is touching the snow. In the winter there was a lot of activity I can do, like going to the crunch and going to Pansipan Mountain.
So tell me, what did you do on Pangsiban?
At the Pansipan, I do a lot of things like playing with the snow, and I am wearing a jacket because at Pansipan it's really cold. Also, I buy some hot chocolate to drink, and it's really delicious.
Okay, and can you tell me some outdoor activity you can do in summer holiday?
In the summer holiday, there was a lot of outdoor activity I can do, such as playing with friends and swimming in the pool. Among them, I like swimming in the pool best because at the summer it's really hot, which I can go to the pool and swim, and it is really cool.
Which season you don't like?
In the season I don't like is autumn because at autumn the tree is look like it's really scary, which the tree is turned into the color of orange, and the leaf of the tree is falling, make it really sad.
Thank you.